Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity Mobile can be found at xfinity.com/mobile. Their website is the primary place to explore their plans, device options, and manage your account. Navigating the site, you'll find details on their by-the-gig data options, allowing you to pay only for the data you use, which can be a cost-effective solution for light data users. They also offer unlimited data plans for those who need more consistent and heavy data access. Xfinity Mobile leverages the Verizon network, providing extensive coverage and generally reliable service across the United States. One of the key advantages of Xfinity Mobile is its potential for cost savings, especially for existing Xfinity Internet customers. They often have bundled deals and promotions that can significantly reduce your monthly phone bill. You can explore their website to check device compatibility, as they support a range of phones, from iPhones to Android devices. The site also provides information on their customer service options, including online chat, phone support, and frequently asked questions. You can manage your account online, track your data usage, make payments, and upgrade your device directly through the xfinity.com/mobile portal. Before making a decision, it's recommended to carefully compare their offerings with other mobile carriers to ensure it's the right fit for your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like data usage, coverage in your area, and the overall cost, including any potential promotional discounts. Examining customer reviews and independent comparisons can also provide valuable insights into the user experience and service quality you can expect from Xfinity Mobile. They regularly update their website with current deals and promotions, so it's worth checking back periodically to see the latest offers.